Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs. If you live in your actor beast, you're in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa na ito ng reaction video, ang Bini Blink Twice music video shoot day 1. So I won't take it no longer, let's all watch this. Anong chismis dito? Oh, Mika. Drama ni Mika. Napaka-drama ni Mika. Ganda ni Colette. Ibang-iba na talaga. Ay! Oh, may foreign silang kinuha. Gusto kong makita yung settings yung ginawa. Ay, yung mga equipment pala totoo. Akala ko green screen. Okay. Okay. Gets. Space Love, Manila Studio.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa shoot ng Blink Twice Day 1. May 2 days kami na-shoot.
2 days lang yun?
Bongga! Bigyan our outfits.
Bongga.
Bukas exciting kasi iba yung ibang tao na kami bukas.
Oh. Ay, oo, kasi may dalawang parang may dalawang character pala. Oo nga.
As talaga, wala akong kaba-kaba na madedelay and late. Madedelay medyo dahil din sa amin.
Because of us.
Hindi ko kaya yung kanan. Mancha, N-A-N-P-S-A. There, sa ultrasound.
Kakalat lang yun. Hindi, ano to eh? Namasasya.
Ang team kasi ng MD parang check up. Ganyan. Kaya may ganun no, parang pang dentist. Medyo may trauma ako. Pero okay lang, cool. Tapos may treadmill, taray. Pag nasa hospital ka, need healthy ka.
Wow, sobrang punta.
Mm.
Project. And then, alam mo naman yun, ang parts niyo.
Good job! Hi! First time namin yung ganitong concept. Kasi parang may mga scientists, laboratory ineme, poison leaf kami. Nakita ko din sa storyboard na meron kami kasamang doktor. AI lang siya. Kumari talaga professional. Pero ano lang pala, shoulder, arm pinch, pinch of head, leg, massage chair. Siya talaga yung tunay na kasama natin sa
Heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a
12 scenes from the Blink USMB. Oh, this one. Ay, ang ganda ni Stacy. Okay. Akala ko talaga green screen lang yung mga equipment nila. Gagis, totoo pala. Green screen. I mean, mga effects lang. Totoo pala yun.
tayo sa take 4. Kailangan na ng close-up shot for this.
Close-up shot.
Yung long hair ko. It's long.
It's long. Long hair ko, it's
Like
long.
my chin.
Like my?
Hinahan ko na kayo. Kasi syempre mag-vibe kasi.
Ano daw? Like my? Ganda talaga ni Master Joe. Nakailang take kaya sila dyan?
Halo-halo natin ito lahat. Sasabog tayo lahat. Eto guys, anong malaki sa akin?
Mukha.
Yung set namin, first set. So, ang challenge for today is kailangan syempre dahil colorful pastel ang color natin today.
Mm-hmm.
Alam niyo naman, tayo cute. Scene ko na lang. Magkakasakit ako. At ako hinata ko.
Ay,
Ay, nako!
ganda ni Colette. Hindi talaga ako.
Feeling ko nung umulan ng kakita natulog siguro.
No, hindi. Cute ka. Sadyang fierce lang talaga ikaw. Fox eye. Bagay silang ni Ako Steven. Ito naman yung pa-demure natin. Yung pa-demure, natanggal. Ang ganda naman ng equipment na yan. Anong equipment yan? Itong ECG ba
The
yan?
new side of me. Ito ako sa nakatitingin. Pero, ang ganda nun kasi ang dami nilang shots. So, pwede nilang malaro.
Mm-mm.
Ang bilis kasi nila, ang bilis talaga nila mag-work. So, I love it.
Oh.
Very efficient and very...
Very good.
Alright.
Tara.
Okay.
Si Mare.
Cameras rolling.
Kabado. Ganda. Ay, ang ganda niya dito. Oh. Ay, may ganun pa talaga. Oo, ang hirap sa kanya. Ito treadmill. Because of the fan. Parang hirap naman sa kanya. May treadmill kasi siya. Pero okay lang yan kasi sanay na din naman siya. For sure, workout din naman yun. Ay, si Mika. Jerry.
Guys, this is my scene.
Mm-mm.
Ito nga eh. With
Ito din nga eh.
arte-arte na lang.
Arte-arte. Arte-arte na lang. Ang cute niya talaga. Arte-arte na lang.
I've been touched with these since my high school years. Oh wait, I'm still in high school.
High school pa din siya na siya.
Ay,
Oh, sinira niya.
pwede ko to ilagay dito.
Anong gagawin niya? Sila pala nag-iisip ng arte-arte nila. Oh.
Hirapan ka, Mika.
Hindi ah.
Hindi ah.
Nakakalay lang.
Ay, ito si Aya.
This song, Blink Twice, for me,
Ganda talaga ng Mama Mary.
it's like the cousin of Cherry on Top.
Oo,
But
yeah.
mas chill siya. Cherry
Mm-mm.
on Top is very, ganon. This song is very, tsaka we have a lot of play of words with the choreo. Ito, Blink Twice. And then Spice, Dice, mga ganon. When I keep listening to it, parang the more I wanna keep listening to it pa kasi it's chill and feel good and very like cool girl type of song for me. So, gusto nila.
And the choreo is beautiful.
Freestyle, I get to do anything, pero ano pa rin, kasi what do I do? Kasi usually sa ibang MV,
Okay.
may direction na ito, kailangan ganito.
Ang chill na talaga magsalita.
Usually, that is the...
Parang ano talaga, parang...
Cut lang, ito pala yung main cam.
Dito sa ano pala? Braso. Grabe, ang dami yung paraan sa katawan ko.
Itong machine na to, na-connect siya kay Joanna. Ni-scan na yung kay Joanna kasi it needs fixing. Pero nung siya palang mag-isa dito, mag-e-error siya sa post. At sa queue, papasok kayo into this position, tapos parang kaka-renew nyo lang siya. Tapos fix na yung part niya. So it just meant na hindi niya kaya ano. Kailangan
Hindi maalis sa utak ko yung yung boses ni Aya. Napaka-chill.
Kabila, to the left, to the right. One, cut!
Yes. Tinutin. Yung kembot na talaga, waiting for the roll, but dito na rolling first. Aray. Ano na problema mo, Mika? Ganda talaga ni Kulet. Ibang-iba talaga yung tingin ko na ngayon kay Kulet.
Shoot the dance, finally.
Seryoso.
Kaya, nabilis na kami girls.
Really nice. You will. Ay. Ano ba talaga dapat yan, man? Kinabi. Easy.
Got a
Ano?
chance to record this song sa LA with a producer,
Enterprise Recording Studios. O, sa LA.
Blink Twice.
Talaga ba?
Also, the Fanatical Market team. So, nandun din sila.
Oh. The ABS-CBN executives. Oh. Lakas naman.
Stacey, if you want, this is
Ay, ito yung recording.
kind of
You
set
get
nice
it.
and comfortable now. So if you want a little more overall or a little less, that's your knob right there.
Oh.
Heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it. I heard you like confidence. Okay.
Okay.
Heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it. So, baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous.
Ayan na si Master Joe. Si Master Joe.
Okay.
Ay, hindi pa pala.
You
Anak
know
si
my
Master
enemy?
Joe.
It's addiction. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the... Sorry, what am I... I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine.
Give me all your energy on this.
My best not to step up on your landmine. But let's have some fun with it. Cause you know I'm running it. Some fun with it. Cause you know I'm running it.
Okay.
Good, just two more. Really good.
But let's have some fun with it.
Ay,
Cause you
iba talaga yung
know I'm
boses niya, no? There's something talaga sa boses. Eh, sige. Si Mari, si ate ko. Yung ate natin. Ay, wow. Dinaan tayo. Dinaan tayo sa malamig na boses. Okay? Like that, like that, like that. Wait lang, ba't ako wait.
Blink twice. If you like me, blink twice. If you like me, blink
Blink twice.
Are we naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice.
Okay.
If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you like me, blink twice. Add a little
Ay,
spice. If you
ang
try
lamig
to
ng
hold
boses ni
tight.
Nicolette.
Let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice.
Ay.
If you
Kala ko
try to
itutuloy
hold
nila
tight.
eh.
Let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. Oh, I'm good.
I'm good.
Crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy.
Ay,
Okay. Got me going crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy. Come over and chase me, yeah, you better amaze me. Got me going crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy. Come over and chase me, yeah, you better amaze me. Yeah, you better amaze me.
pagod siya. Ay, OA. What is OA?
Baby, tell me, are you ready?
Kawawa naman si Mika, napagod siya.
Don't you leave me
Wait, ano ba yan? I am not comfortable with my setup right now. Wait.
I'm at the spot, baby, tell me, are you ready
Gwenny.
or not? Don't you leave me waiting.
Ay, maangas din palang boses ni Gwen.
Easiest vocal sessions I've ever done.
Wow, Hechicero. Hindi nga. Hechicero. Eme.
Nagkaroon kami ng opportunity
Ang bait mo dyan, Maloy.
for this song.
Uy, sino ka ba? Wait lang, may naalala ko sa boses niya. May naalala ko sa boses niya.
Blink twice kasi may mga inigas na hindi marunong mag-blink twice.
Oh. Ay, tapos na. Back to the last few of choreography. Ah, bumalik pala ulit sila. May choreo pa pala ulit sila. Ay, naughty one, nice. Oy, pak, ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Ang tagal ko na din nakagawa ng vlog nila, ah. Twice, moving, just looking at me. Ayun na yan, nice. Okay. Ay, after picking. Okay. Ay,
Hi guys! Galing kaming music video shoot for Blink Twice Day 1. And diretso kami dito and time check, it's 8:15 p.m. Dumiretso kami dito para syempre for D2, iba na yung hairstyle namin. Yung D2 namin, it's a whole different layout, a whole different look. Kaya talagang make sure din namin na pasabog yung hair namin. Sa akin yung ideal is ash brown. Kukulayan lang ako guys, walang kupit kasi maikot lang. Let's see you later. Thank you.
Last word.
Ang bilis! Sobrang bilis niya. Ay, sobrang iksi ata. Pwede po back out? Kakaupo ko lang eh. Wala pa 5 minutes na pag-ipasok.
kakaupo ko lang eh.
Fresh from ganap. Grabe, parang pagkaupo ko, ginupit na. Walang high heel, gupit agad. Ang bilis talaga ng pangyayari.
So guys, kukulayan na po ako ng hindi red. I'm excited at the same time nervous because I'm gonna miss my red hair. I know a lot of people will. Maybe babalikan ko yung red next time. After. I don't know how people are gonna react.
Okay.
Yeah, nakakatawa kasi parang ginawa akong tourist attraction kanina nung paalis
Ano?
MV shoot. Sabi ko, oh guys, this is the last time you see me red hair. And then they were like, oh, picture tayo!
Bakla din talaga siya, no? Bakla din siya, in fairness.
Feeling ko akin yung pinaka-simple yung gagawin. Kasi magpapakliyan yung box lang ako.
Bakla din siya.
Kasi baka makalbo na ako kung Hello, I'm getting my hair.
Gosh, iba talaga yung boses niya. There is something with her voice talaga. Talaga lang.
For everyone to have their hair done. Yeah, I hope it will be bagay to me. And
It will be bagay. Parang kang si Mika na doon.
so
Very Mika na siya doon.
new us, new music,
Ay,
new year,
New Year.
but elevated version of Minima.
Next episode. Ay, tapos na.
Ito nga pala ang aking unicorn.
Ito yung next episode. Ah, yes. Ganda ni Sheena. Ganda ni Sheena. Cowboy. Cowgirl naman palang atake. Ay, tapos na. Ano ba yan? Nabitin ako. Wikit na kita ko sa boses ni ang dami ko natutunan dito ha. Yung pagiging maangas ni Gwen. Yung pagiging soft-spoken ni Colette. Yung pagiging cute na kita ko sa boses ni Aya. And of course, si Mika. Ganun pa din naman talaga. Konyo-wish. Anyways, there you go guys. It is all for today's video from the Beanie. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!